let me show you several different ways how to properly charge your iPhone 17 and also 17 Pro. So there are two main ways how to charge these phones. First, using a wire. So you see on these phones both we have Type-C connection finally, so we do not have the old lighting on these phones anymore. And also on the back of the phones over here behind the Apple logo we also have wireless charging. So first, when you get your phone inside the box, you will also receive a cable for it, which is Type-C on both ends, but you can also use any other cable to charge it. For example, I will simply insert this Type-C charger over here. Again, any good quality cable can be used to charge your phone, and then we simply need to plug it in somewhere. So either you can get a wall adapter, or also, for example, you can literally plug this in maybe a laptop or any other place where you can essentially plug in Type-C, even maybe in a car. Also, when it comes to charging speeds, this year also these iPhones are usually upgraded, and we get up to 40 watts of charging speeds on these phones. So if you want to take advantage of the super fast charging on these phones, you will also need like a decent charger for these. Either Apple sells basically these 40 watt chargers this year, especially for these phones. But again, so you can also use any other good quality chargers that's able to output this power. If you're wondering, like for example, would a 100 watt charger would be okay, then of course, yes, this is obviously the maximum voltage it can do. The phone simply adjusts and pulls what it needs. Also, for example, if you have MacBook charger as well, you can even charge from MacBook charger, since they obviously can output actually very good power. And then also you can obviously charge it from any power bank as well. So you see, for example, if I insert it in my power bank, my phone actually starts to charge over here. By the way, also when you get this phone, I suggest you to also go over here in the battery settings, and also you see you can also customize various charging settings here. So you see also you have optimized battery charging, so again it will kind of understand when it be the best to charge it. Also you can set up your charge limit here as well. For example, I actually suggest you to set it maybe like 90%. So essentially at 90% this phone automatically will stop charging, and this in long term essentially prolongs your battery health significantly as well. And also you see you can also enable these things here, and even your battery percentage as well. And the second way how to charge your phone is using wireless chargers as well. But to be honest, in long term I do not think they're actually as healthy to use as wired charging method, as obviously there are a lot of inefficiencies. Basically these also chargers actually heat up your phone a bit as well, and they also degrade the battery health. Yeah, basically. But again, if you want to charge this in a phone on a wireless charger, then it's obviously very convenient. But again, in long term I actually suggest you simply charge using the wired method. Also, when it comes to wireless charging, also this year these phones also get very nice upgrades, so we get 25 watts of wireless charging speeds. So also you probably need to get like a new wireless charger, because most wireless chargers actually has been produced so far are around 15 watts. So again, this can pull up to 25 watts. So again, on your wireless charger, basically look on the back if it can actually deliver that power. So again, when it comes to charging speeds, these are actually very powerful phones this year. Also, if you're wondering if this phone also supports reverse wireless charging, so see, for example, my Samsung Ultra phone supports that feature. So see, for example, if I enable it on this one, if I literally place this phone on the back of it, so you see my iPhone starts to actually charge from this phone. So if you're wondering if these iPhone 17s, so the Pro and non-Pro model, can actually do it, I have some bad news. So still in 2025 we actually can't do that, which is a bit ridiculous. So essentially, yep, you obviously can't charge your Apple Watch by simply placing it on the back of it, or any earphones. So again, on other brand phones we can do that. I hope in future they would enable that. Anyway, good luck.